My ends are horrible because most of the products I got, they don't work on my hair. I am trying to be as nice and as diplomatic as possible with regards to how I feel about the hair care products, but these are products that I regret spending my money on. But low quality products, which I never thought mattered when it came to hair care. I just thought that maybe your hair care practices, your hair care technique is all that matters, but these products have proved me wrong. I swear, low quality products for very, very expensive, but a conditioner that doesn't condition anything about my hair for 35 cedis, bought a coconut oil that is not really coconut oil for 30 cedis. Just so much money on low quality things, and the people here see it as nothing. Now my intentions for this video was to make it like a Ghana versus Nigeria hair care product show off, but I can't do that because I do not like any of the products, and just like their jollof rice, it cannot compare to Nigeria at all. Then going in with my detangling brush, due to how horrible the hair care products are on my hair, because the fact that these things are still in production means that it works for some people. My ends have never been this bad. My hair doesn't normally get dry, but these products have tested it. They have tested its patience. In the past, I used to say finish up your braids with a twist to minimize damage and increase length retention, but even the twist cannot save my ends. This time around, hair care products are horrible. I'm seeing dry patches in my hair that I have never seen before. See if we can squeeze it out. Squeeze. I'm still going to cut the bottle open, but my hair has so much static. Hi. Bad products. I never thought that they would ever see me in my life. Then conditioning with this terrible conditioner that I bought from, at least terrible for my hair. Everything, I'm telling you, everything that I got in this country is not favoring me and my hair at all. This is the conditioner. I think it's Mikesh herbal conditioner, and this does not condition at all. I'm using it because I want to finish it. I had to put oil in my hair just to help it out a bit. The lady that sold this to me, the Viper lady, she said that it is for detangling, detangle my yash. The thing doesn't have any slip whatsoever. It doesn't have any properties that can promote manageability of hair and easy detangling. So I'm going to have to apply this with my fingers. And for how expensive it is, a little does not go a long way. I've used this twice now and it's more than halfway gone. I have a lot of hair, but this is like a half a liter bottle. It's not supposed to be running out this fast. Tip: if you want your life to be easy when you are taking care of your natural hair, sections will be your best friend. I have sectioned off my hair. Now to go into, look at how watery this thing is, and it's watery for nothing. No slip. Hey, my hair isn't even that wet. I'm not happy. What was I saying? Yeah, sections are your best friend when you are taking care of your natural hair. Please, if you're in Ghana and you know any good hair care products that are affordable as well, please leave your suggestion. What's going on? Your suggestion. Leave your recommendations in the comment, please. This is what my hair looks like after the conditioner has been fully applied. My ends, I don't know. Just look at. Some of these things are my hair breaking. I'm seeing tiny pieces of hair mixed with the long. God will help me. God will help me. Thankfully, it's still hip length, but the inches that make it that hip length, they feel horrible. This is what my hair looks like when all the conditioner has been rinsed out, and annoyance continua. I'm going to moisturize my hair with leave-in conditioner I also got in Ghana. So this is the Mediana leave-in conditioning milk. It turns out that I cannot use this because my hair is already dry, and I put this on my hair and automatically it's feeling like hair damage, and so I can't use this. I don't know if this is my hair issues, or if this is just a bad product, because I promise you it feels like I'm applying thick water to my hair. Welcome back to my channel. The conditioner I used was extremely drying. The leave-in conditioner I tried to use was even worse. So I'm just going to brush all the product. Oh god, I can hear my hair snapping. I can hear it snapping. I am definitely going on a hair growth challenge. Just that snap was serious. I'm surprised that even the Olaplex can counter this problem. My hair has been fully sectioned off, fully moisturized, fully brushed out and everything. You know, braids the out the braids. Then I started the I now got an itchy scrap to get your words together. I tried to fix it. My hair is still moisturized. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you if you are interested in seeing more content from me, consider subscribing, turning on your notification bell, so that anyway these days when you tap subscribe, the notification bell pops up and you are prompted to turn it on. So consider, supporting the channel. And if you want to see any content at all from me, drop down in the comment section and identify. That's it for this video. Cheers. Love you.